Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Shadow Skill. Today we will see three projects: fire alarm, door security system, and home automation. First, I will explain you the fire alarm circuit. The components that I have used are electric bulb, a buzzer, temperature sensor, gas sensor, resistors, and Arduino board. Connect the output of temperature sensor to A1. Connect the output of gas sensor to A0. Connect the output of LED to 13th pin and buzzer to 7th pin. Then connect 5V and ground using breadboard. Now I will say you the code that I had used. Float temperature, float Vout, float Vout1, int LED I had declared as 13th pin, int gas sensor, int piezoelectric, the buzzer as 7, void setup, pin mode I had declared, then serial dot begin the baud rate, then void loop, Vout is equal to analog read of A1, Vout is equal to Vout by 1023. That is the analog read of A1. A1 is that nothing but the value of temperature sensor. Then if gas sensor is equal to analog read of A0, it reads the gas sensor value from A0 pin. Then if temperature is greater than 80, digital read of LED is high. That is nothing but if the temperature is high, the LED will glow, or else it will be in off condition. Then if the piezoelectric pin is high, that is nothing but if the gas sensor value is greater than 100, then the piezoelectric will be high and the buzzer will start to alert. Then serial dot print in degree Celsius and gas sensor value will be printed in serial monitor. Now I will start simulation. Now you can see that temperature in degree Celsius 24.78 and gas sensor value as 85. Since the temperature value if greater than 80, the LED will go. Now it is less than 80, so I am going to increase the value of temperature sensor now. Now I am changing the temperature value. Check the serial monitor. It increased to 62, 76, 80. Now it is 80.01. Since the limit we have set as 80, it is greater than 80, so the bulb starts to glow. So the owner may know that the temperature has risen and there is some problem in his home or office. Now we will check the gas sensor values. Now the gas sensor value is 85. Since the limit is gas sensor greater than or equal to 100, the buzzer will be alerting. Now it is 101. See, the buzzer starts to ring. If I take closer, the value increasing, the buzzer starts to alert more and more. When I reduce, the buzzer stops. So with the help of this system, using gas sensor and temperature sensor, we can alert the owner when it is in fire. Now our next project is security door. I will explain you the circuit of security door. In security door, the components that we had used are Arduino board, a keyboard, and a LCD display, servo motor, LED, resistors, and a slide switch. Now I will explain you the pins that I had connected. First, see that the keypad is connected to 7654 and the left 4 pins are connected to analog pins. Check the servo motor that is connected to RX pin. Now a slide switch is used here to reset the password. I will explain you the code now. As include servo.h, as include keypad.h, as include liquid crystal.h, servo get constant. Take a look over the code once. If you need, I will share the code in description. Check the pin modes that I had declared. I will explain you the condition that I had used here when I am simulating the circuit. You may understand easier when I simulate it. So take a glance over the code first. Okay. Now I will start simulation for you. At default, the LCD prints enter password. It requests the user to enter the password. Now I will show you the code that the default password we had given in the code. Check here, the default password is 0000. So you have to enter 4 zeros here. I had used star to clear and hash to enter. So now we will enter using hash. The password is correct, green LED glows and the servo motor rotates to open the door. Now it again asks the user to enter password. Now I will enter wrong password and give a clarification that if the password is entered wrong, the door will not open. Now check it, 1, 2, 3, 4 I had given and press dash. See the red LED glows and the servo motor does not rotate. It shows wrong password, press star. Star to clear. Now I will enter the correct password again, then correct password will come. The servo gets rotated and the green LED glows. Now using the slide switch, we can change the password anytime. Now when I press the slide switch, it asks old password, so I have to give 4 zeros and press enter. Now it requests me new password. I am going to set as 123A and press hash. Password is changed, go back, it displays. See the green LED glows. Now press the slide switch again. It asks to enter new password, but I will press the old password. It shows wrong password, press star. So now I will enter a new password 123 and A. Now press hash. Yes, correct password, welcome. Green color LED glows again. Now I will press the slide switch. Now I will try to change my password again. Now the new password I am going to give is 123, which is not 4 digit, it is only 3 digits. When I try, it shows error password is too short. So the minimum password that we can give is only 4 digits and maximum it can be 8. Now I will try other password 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I try to press yes. Password changed, go back. Now the green LED glows again. Now again I am pressing slide switch to enter password. I try with the old password and it shows wrong password, press star. Check the red color LED indication. So when the password is pressed correct, the servo motor rotates and door gets open and green LED is notified. Now we will see our next project, home automation circuits. Yes, home automation is now very important in smart cities. So the components that I had used here are Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, PIR motion sensor, servo motor, LED and IC and along with resistors and DC motor. Take a look over the circuit. Now see the code. I will share you the code in description. You may check for the code. Take a look over code. Now we will start simulation. Now first I will change the ultrasonic value. It is 213 centimeter at initial, but when I go closer less than 40, the door gets open. That is, when I go closer to the sensor, the door gets open. Now when I make some change to the motion sensor value, the LED starts to glow and the DC motor starts to run. That is nothing but when an object or movement is detected, that the object is entered the room and it starts to run automatically the fan and LED starts to glow. Now consider that I had entered the room. Now I want to get out of the room, so I am moving back and back and back. Our condition is less than 40 centimeter. When the sensor detects less than 40 centimeter again, the servo motor gets open so that we can go out of the room. Now, if the temperature value is less, the DC motor stops and the fan doesn't run. When the temperature value is high, the motor works, the fan automatically starts to run. So, I conclude that with the help of this circuit, we can open door and close door automatically, we can automate fan and lights, and we can automate more if we add some other components to this circuit. As the city is developing to a smart city, there is a need for automation in every sector. So, home automation plays a major role in this automation sector. I conclude again by saying that when the object is less than 40 centimeter, the door gets open, and if some motion is detected, the fan starts to run and the LED or bulb starts to glow. If the temperature value is very less, then the fan stops. If the temperature value is high in the room, then the fan starts to run automatically. I think this video will be very useful to you. So, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you may get notified whenever I post or update the videos. Thanks for watching.